Yeah guys, you're welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your relationship status on Facebook. You're married, you're single, you're in a relationship, but you don't want people to know from your profile. Let's go and hide our relationship status. So let's dive in. I'm going to open your Facebook. And the next step is click on this your picture, use your profile picture. On the next step, sorry guys, the next step you click on this your three-line dot, click on edit, scroll up, click on edit here, your details, and you scroll up, click on married. Now here, let's click here, and we can check only me, and this is it. So if you want only you to say that you're married, or to say that you're single, or to say that you're in a relationship, just click here. And if you want only your friends, just click on your friends or on public. So I'm going to click only me, and you click on save. And you'll see now, do you want to share this or no? So this is save, and here you can see nobody will see your relationship status. Once they open your profile and the company, they will never save your marriage, your single, or anything. So yeah, save it for only you. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe please, that helps me a lot, and click the like button and drop any comments there if you have any comments. Thank you guys.